Attention banking and finance professionals. Get ready to supercharge your skills and dive deep into the world of banking credit analysis with our exclusive full day online workshop on March 9, 2024. This workshop is tailored just for you. We have decided to help you develop a comprehensive framework for analyzing the financial information and gain insights into a spectrum of financial products and services. From financial ratio analysis to working capital financing, fund-based and non-fund-based credit limits, and term loan appraisal, we have got all covered. Imagine a day filled with valuable insights delivered via our user-friendly LMS and facilitated through Zoom. You can participate from the comfort of your own space. This workshop is scheduled for March 9, 2024, starting 9:30 a.m. and running until 5:30 p.m. We have structured the day with in-depth sessions, tea breaks, lunch break to keep you energized and engaged. But wait, there's more. Attendees will receive webinar presentation materials and a certificate of participation to showcase your commitment to continuous learning. Join us on March 9th and unlock the secrets to banking credit analysis. Wish to know more? Just comment workshop or WS.